In this screen recording, I'm going to explain 6.2.7. So we should start a new REPL. It should be in PHP, PHP web server, create the REPL. Now, we're going to use a function here called multiply two numbers. It's quite similar to what we did for 6.2.6. So the default code is mostly suitable for our needs. We can get rid of the title. We can probably even keep this echo because we can use that a bit later. And up here, just like we did for 6.2.6, we're going to type function, but then we're going to type the function you can see on 6.2.7, multiply two numbers. Then we're going to use the $sign to define variables num1, $num2. Okay, then we can use our pointy brackets here. We've got our opening pointy bracket and our closing pointy bracket. And down here, we want to type using a variable once again, but this variable will be called result. Result equals num1, and we're going to press shift and the 8 button to get an asterisk, which represents multiply $num2, and then of course remember to use a semicolon to signify it's the end of the line. And then we'll type return a variable once again, result. Okay, so that's going to multiply this number and this number and show us the result of the multiplication. Now we're not quite done yet, because down here we want to add a few more lines of code. So press tab a couple of times because this is going to also be PHP. Make sure you indent it so it's level with this tag and the closing PHP tag. Okay, and then we want to once again press the $sign to use this result variable again. Result equals, and then we can actually copy this whole section. Be careful to cut it off at the right point and just paste this down here. Now we're not going to use num1 and num2 because if you read 6.2.7, we have to actually add a specific number if we really want to multiply it. So in this case, let's put, say, a 7 here to represent num1, and put a 3 here to represent num2. We don't need the $sign either. Okay, and we'll put a semicolon at the end to show it's the end of the line, and also a semicolon up here. Okay, and we're nearly ready. Now we can make use of this echo, which was here before, and this echo is kind of like print in Python. So we'll press the $sign, echo, result. Okay, and I think now we should be ready to test the program. And you can see it is working as it should be because 7 times 3 is 21.